All right, well, NVIDIA has gone and done it. They've released a seriously entry-level card in the form of the GTX 1660. Now, this is the EVGA version. This card's pretty cool. It's the XC version. And one thing you guys will notice, though, as we unbox this card and take a look at it, is this mother is just thick. It's fat. It's like a big old giant sandwich you're going to take a big old and bite out of. So anyways, with that said, though, let's check out this card that's going to be coming to market at about $229. Has great scores for the price, and overall, I think you're going to be pretty satisfied with this card. With that said, though, let's check this bad boy out.
Alright, just what's in this box? I'm Batman, I want to know what's in the box. So let's get to unboxing the dang box. Let's go. So, here we have it, the box. Looks like most boxes, right? Yeah, most boxes are kind of the same. We'll spin it up. Look at that. Ooh, a box facing straight up, even neater. Oh, spin it around. Here is the back of the box, where they've got some all nice little fun facts about this thing, and yeah, all that good stuff that we're talking about. That's right. All right, spin it around to the side. Yeah. All fun. But what's inside of this box? All right, let's see.
All right, so I'll pop the cap right here. I'll stop the little Batman voice, although I like the Batman voice.
I think it's a good voice.
I think it fits me. All right, so what else in the box? Nothing else inside of here. You guys can see up there in camera land. The rest of the box is completely empty. It's an empty box once I take this stuff out. So, now, the cameraman was remarking that this thing was like very, very well wrapped. So I'm just like, very well wrapped. Okay, so let's see. We've got the card right here in front of us, and then we've got this little bugger right here. Now, this card features the TU116 Turing GPU based off the 12 nanometer process. Now, this card features 4006 CUDA cores. It has 6 gigabytes of GDDR5 memory, and what the heck? This thing's wrapped like a burrito in here. It's the Ultra Wrap. One wrap right there, we'll move that wrap. Then we got another wrap right here. 192-bit memory interface, memory bandwidth of 192.1 gigabytes a second. I feel like I'm destroying this bag trying to get this out of here. Now you guys are going to notice this thing is very, very thick. 3-slot design. Now the base clock is at 1530 megahertz. It has a boost clock of 1785 megahertz. There's 88 texture units, 22 streaming multiprocessors, and 40 ROP units. Okay, so as far as that goes, you guys can see this card is a very, very thick bad boy. This is definitely not a 2-slot design. And in some ways, I feel like this may end up being a caveat to this card because this card's really small. And for really small systems, you're going to be like, okay, cool, I want to use this card. But hopefully, I hope it's not, unfortunately, too wide, that it just doesn't fit in a lot of systems. That's the only thing that I'm really worried about. I mean, beyond that, this card is really small. As we see on the front, we've got a single fan design. On this side, single 8-pin power requirement. Like I said, 120 watts, what it's recommended that you use a 400 watt power supply, which means you can pretty much build really low end systems. All the cooling stuff is there. Obviously, on a card that this low of a price, you're probably not going to get a giant backplate, so we're not seeing any backplate on this particular card whatsoever, but you know, kind of to be expected. Also, these cards don't do SLI or anything like that, and you guys can see that the rear I/O is really very basic I/O, just 3 different connections, that's it. Woo! I don't know what you guys think, but honestly, for $229, this card has some absolutely cool features. Now, this is just the unboxing and first look, but we will have information down below, so if you guys want to check out some more stuff or buy them, we'll have that down there. But stay tuned to the channel, because now we have the full-blown review where you'll get to see all the scores and all that stuff as we give it a head-to-head battle with the RX 590, which is actually, right now, about $20 more than this card. And I think you'll be very surprised at the results. So stay tuned to Tekka tomorrow. We're here for you.